Hi, fifth graders. This week during science class, we will learn about Earth's natural resources. At the end of the lesson, we will be able to classify natural resources as renewable and non-renewable. Resources, a material supplied by nature that is used by humans or other organisms. Non-renewable resource, a substance that there is a limited amount of or is used up faster than it is made. Renewable resource, material made by nature at least as quickly as people use it. Mineral, non-living material that comes from earth. Rocks, a natural substance made from one or more minerals. And all of the materials that make up these objects originally came from nature. A natural resource is something found in nature that humans use. The vegetables you eat come from growing plants. Metals are mined from underground. Glass starts out as sand, and plastics are made from oil. One way we can classify natural resources is based on how available they are. Some natural resources have a limited supply. A non-renewable resource is one that is not made fast enough to replace what is used. Energy resources such as coal, petroleum, and natural gas are non-renewable resources. They form naturally, but the process takes millions of years. That means the supply that exists right now is all that will be available to people. A renewable resource, on the other hand, is a material that is made by nature at least as quickly as people use it. Plants that we use for food are renewable resources. The sun supplies new solar energy every day. Wind used for energy is renewable resource. Even the air that we breathe is a renewable resource because plants constantly produce oxygen. Think of land as a resource, but we use land to provide many things we need and want. We build houses and other structures on land. We use soil to grow crops and raise animals. Without soil, we would have very little kinds of food to eat. Soil can take hundreds of years to form, so using it wisely is very important. Without land, we would have no forest, which provide habitats for many organisms. Forests also provide materials for paper, medicine, and food, such as nuts and fruits. In addition to this, forests play a very important role in controlling the amount of carbon dioxide in the air. Minerals are naturally occurring, non-living solids in Earth's crust. Some minerals are available on Earth in large amounts. Others are available in much smaller amounts. Many minerals must be dug from mines deep below Earth's surface. Rocks are natural substances made up of one or more minerals. Some common kinds of rocks are granite, chalk, and slate. Most rocks are made of many minerals. We use water in other ways, such as bathing, swimming, cleaning, washing clothing, cooking, growing crops, and raising animals. Industries also depend on water for processes such as cleaning, transporting, and mining. Water also powers turbines that help produce electricity. Although water is a renewable resource, it is not evenly distributed around Earth. Therefore, we must take good care of it and use it wisely. In fact, almost all living things need the same gas we use from air, oxygen. Even the organisms that live in the ocean and other bodies of water need oxygen. They get it from the oxygen that has dissolved in water. Moving air or wind can be used to turn turbines to produce electricity. Even renewable resources can become scarce or unusable if we do not take good care of them. Likewise, non-renewable resources can last longer if we take care of them. For example, aluminum is a non-renewable mineral resource, but aluminum cans can be recycled to make new aluminum products. Reusing and recycling are efficient ways to use resources. Dr. Seuss. Unless someone like you cares a whole awful lot, nothing is going to get better. It's not.